Hey, welcome to the night sky on the Learn About Astronomy channel. This is the night sky for Tuesday, April the 8th, 2014. So on April 8th, 2014, we have a little thing called opposition. Mars is at opposition on that evening. What is an opposition? Opposition means that Mars is almost perfectly opposite the Sun in our night sky. And that means that it is rising pretty much at the same time as the Sun is setting. And it also means that Mars is pretty much at its closest that it will be to Earth for that date for the year. So this year, April 8th is the evening for the closest approach of Mars, or pretty much in those dates, give or take a few hours and a few days. And it's going to be a great time to watch Mars. Mars is the king of the planets for the month of April 2014. So as the sun sets, we'll have Jupiter very high to the southwest. We'll have a waxing gibbous moon that will be in the southeast, getting farther away from Jupiter, where it had a very close encounter a few days before. As the sun sets, we have Mars rising now, and this is going to be a very nice evening to watch the planets and the moon. Mars around 10 p.m. getting, closer, higher in the sky, so it's going to be that bright orange star in the southeast. Saturn rising around 10:30 p.m. That's also a very nice sight. So basically, if you like to stay up a little late in the evening, if you go out around midnight and have a clear view of your horizon, you should actually spot Jupiter to the west, the moon, the waxing gibbous moon, to the west-southwest. You should also see Mars in the south-southeast and Saturn in the southeast. So four objects, very bright objects, easy to see and spot in your sky. Saturn will be probably what's more difficult for people that aren't used to watching the sky. But it's still bright bright enough that you should actually spot it in the night sky, even in a big city. So take a peek. That's a great evening to watch the sky. And of course, Mars at opposition, it means also that it shines all night. It rises at sunset and will set at sunrise. So it's visible all through the night. And we go on into the night around 2 a.m. on April 9th. Pluto at 2 a.m. rising. And Venus, of course, the king of the morning for this period of time, for most of the summer actually, rising before sunrise as a very bright star in the southeast. So that's the night sky for April 8th, which is Tuesday evening, April 8th, 2014. Mars out of position tonight, so why not go out? It's one of the best times to watch through a telescope. Even small telescopes will actually bring Mars into view. You should see some details on the surface and the polar ice caps. I personally did watch those with a 6-inch telescope, and you don't need that big of a telescope actually to watch these details. So great evening on Tuesday, April the 8th, 2014. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online, and you will be up to date on what's happening in the night sky. If you have comments, questions, suggestions, why not ask us, and we'll try to answer questions, and of course try to also maybe there's something you'd like us to change because it would be better. Why not tell us what you think? So thanks for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye-bye.